Most traders lose money not because their strategy is bad, but because they enter at the wrong time. They buy too early, they sell too late, and then they blame the market. The truth is, timing is what separates profitable traders from frustrated traders. Today, I'm going to show you one simple concept that fixes this problem: market structure shift. If you understand this, you'll improve your trading with real confirmation. And if you want daily setups, live trade ideas, and more SMC education, join my private Telegram community. The link is in the description. Let me be honest with you. If you don't understand market structure, you are basically trading blind. You may have indicators, zones, and strategies, but without structure, you don't really know who is in control of the market. In this video, I'll show you how to read what price is actually doing using break of structure and change of character. This is the foundation of smart money trading. Market structure is simply the story of price. For example, if price keeps making higher highs and higher lows, that tells you buyers are in control. The market is bullish. If price keeps making lower highs and lower lows, that tells you sellers are in control. The market is bearish. So instead of guessing, you just ask one simple question: who is in control right now, buyers or sellers? Now, let's talk about break of structure. Imagine the market is bullish. Price makes a high, then it pulls back. Then it makes a higher high. When price breaks that previous high, that is a break of structure. What does that mean? It means buyers are still strong and the trend is still valid. So break of structure is continuation. It confirms that the current trend is healthy and still in control. Now let's talk about change of character, and this is where things get really important. Imagine the market has been bullish for a long time, making higher highs and higher lows, but suddenly, price breaks a key low. That is a change of character. This is often the first warning sign that buyers may be losing control and sellers may be stepping in. It doesn't mean you sell immediately, but it tells you the story of the market is changing and you need to pay attention. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is marking structure on tiny candles. Noise is not structure. You want to focus on clear swing highs and clear swing lows. Another big mistake is impatience, entering before the market confirms. The market rewards patience, and the market punishes impatience. Here is a simple smart money flow you can remember. First, wait for change of character. Second, identify the order block that caused the break. Third, wait for price to return. Then you look for your entry. Now you're not guessing. You're trading with logic and confirmation. In the next videos, I'll show you how to use change of character confirmation to find a good entry. Combine this with liquidity and fair value gap for even more precision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.